What is up, guys? It is Map Mobile Kid here, and I'm bringing you another video. And I'm gonna do a quick pack opening. Probably gonna open not too many, but quite a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do all pro packs, and then I might do like one. Alright, I'm gonna get a kick on there. Not getting a lot of good stuff. Oh my god, what's up with these 70 overalls? Alright, I'm just gonna open a player's pack. See if I get anybody good. No elites yet. And I get no elites. Wonderful. Alright, I get a punt returner. But I already have him. Oh my god. Am I not gonna get anybody good? Can I at least get one elite? No, I can't. Can I get an elite this pack? Please, EA. No, I get Charles Clay though. Need to step up from 70 overall. No. Ugh. No. I am getting plain old crap. Nope. Am I ever gonna freaking pull an elite? I'm gonna ask you that question. No, it looks like I'm not gonna. Last, like, 2, maybe 3 packs. Nope. This is just getting really annoying. No elite. Let's see if I can get an elite on my last pack. No, I can't. I'll do one last player pack for you guys. Oh, Jeremy Lane. Alright. It's pretty good. I could probably sell him though, because I already have him on my team, so. 81. I'll open them until I have to 800. Alright, I get a collectible. And oh, Chris Matthews. Well, let's go. Last pack. Unless I get anything okay. Ted again. I feel like opening up a couple more. I don't know why, but I feel like I could pull something better maybe. And we get an Eric Woodson. Alright. Red Bryant. Play a DP. Let me see if there's any new. There isn't. So I'm just going to keep opening up pro packs. Hopefully get another elite maybe. Nope. Down to 70. Alright, Harrison Smith. I'm gonna start using like all these, and then I'm gonna just buy all the captains and maybe make a captain team. Andre Ellington. Last pack. Alright, well, we got 2 elites, and they were both Seahawks players. And I will be posting a lot more, guys. I'm sorry about the lack of videos. It's just I've had too much schoolwork. But I am going on vacation, so I will be recording a lot then. And, so I will see you all next time, and peace out.